Hello, I am Dilshad.
Hi, I'm Manha. What are you gonna explain?
Krebs cycle.
What?
Believe me, you won't be bored. Krebs cycle is a cycle of chemical reactions that are the primary source of energy in living organisms. This is also known as the citric acid cycle and TCA cycle that takes place in mitochondria. What are you doing, dear?
I am writing notes about the Krebs cycle.
Did you understand?
I am trying to understand.
The first step begins with pyruvate. Glucose, a 6-carbon compound, is converted into 2 molecules of pyruvate through glycolysis, which is a 3-carbon compound. The next step is the oxidation of pyruvate into acetyl-CoA by an enzyme called pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. In this reaction, a molecule of carbon dioxide and a molecule of NADH are generated. Acetyl-CoA is a 2-carbon compound that combines with oxaloacetate, which is a 4-carbon compound, to form citrate that results in 6-carbon compound. Enzyme citrate synthase catalyzes this reaction. And the next step, citrate is isomerized into isocitrate by the enzyme aconitase. In the next step, isocitrate is oxidized into alpha-ketoglutarate by enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. Through this reaction, NAD is reduced to NADH and a molecule of CO2 is generated. So alpha-ketoglutarate is a 5-carbon compound, and since one molecule of carbon is lost into the carbon dioxide. Next, alpha-ketoglutarate is converted into succinyl-CoA by enzyme alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. And in this reaction, also NAD is reduced to NADH and a molecule of CO2 is generated. Hence, succinyl-CoA is 4-carbon compound. Now, succinyl-CoA is converted in succinate by enzyme succinyl-CoA synthase. In this reaction, a molecule of GTP is generated. Next, succinate is converted into fumarate by the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase by generating a molecule of QH2 that is used to produce FADH2. Fumarate is then converted to malate by enzyme fumarase. In the last step, malate is converted to oxaloacetate by enzyme malate dehydrogenase. In this reaction, also NAD is reduced to NADH. A complete Krebs cycle. Each Krebs cycle generates 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, 1 GTP, and 2 CO2s. Since glucose is split into 2 pyruvates for each glucose, the cycle runs twice and results into 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, 2 GTP, and 4 carbon dioxides. All NADH and FADH2 are next fed to the electron transport chain for the generation of ATP. Oh, sorry, dear. Did you understand anything?
Yes, Mommy, Krebs cycle gives you energy. I will learn all the names after I become a doctor.
Thank you for learning the Krebs cycle with me, Manha.